Good morning, it is 7:45 a.m. So I was taking a shower and it was cold and it was okay. I was like thinking positive about it. You know, cold shower, it's gonna wake me up. It's alright. I'm gonna be ready to go after this cold shower, and so I'm really trying to stick it out and be patient and everything. About 5 minutes in, it starts turning warm and I was like, hallelujah. I just saw it as God rewarding me for being patient. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. But it's 7:45. Camera battery's charging, my drone's charging. I'm gonna grab my phone. Everyone else is out walking around, and I need to find the key. There they are. So I haven't yet seen what this place looks like during the day, so. So this is where we ate last night, and this is where the waterfalls are. Oh crap, they're way out there. I should have got my shoes on. All right, going back to get my shoes. Maybe we could y'all want to hike out there? Just like take a nice walk down the river. Look at that stud. So Jax was just telling me in the rainy season, the water comes up to like another 6 feet practically. He said rainy season is like July, June, July. What happened? You didn't get any? Oh no, no, too big, too big. This is good. Like this. Really low. Get low with it. Hey, you got 3. All right, here's the plan. We're gonna eat breakfast. I think we might hike on the river. I'm not sure. And then we're gonna go to the waterfall, which is like a 5-minute drive up the road. And we're gonna get some sick drone footage. What is that? Fruit? Some kind of fruit? These are cashews? You get the cashews inside? What? That's sick. What the freaking crap's going on here, man? This is how we bond in India. So we're staying in these, but I want to check out what this looks like. Yeah, I'm definitely coming back here. Well, this place was awesome, and we are heading out. Can't leave without paying. So to give you some context of how much stuff costs around here, that boat that we went on, that was 8,000 rupees plus 2,000 for like drinks and food and everything. So that whole day on the boat came out to about 145 bucks. And that was for 5 people to eat and to hang on the boat all day and cruise around. This hotel, not these, but those ones, for 1 room with 2 beds and breakfast and dinner last night, they came out to about 80 bucks, 80 US dollars. So it's pretty good. That's pretty cheap. I think I'm still under $1,000 for this whole trip, including the flight. Actually, that's not true. My visa was about 160. Minus getting a visa to get here, it's been under $1,000, so. And look at this place. Sheesh. Hi. Hey. So we're going to the waterfall, but we all know what happened last time. I flew the drone over a waterfall. I almost lost it. So this time, when the battery says it's low, I'm gonna bring it back. Maybe. Alright, so we stopped. Gotta get a ticket. Ooh, that's nice. Adults 30. Video camera 200. I guess we got permission to fly the drone over the waterfall, I'm assuming. I really need to learn Malayalam. About to start our hike, and I'm about to make a friend. He tried to steal? He's not gonna steal nothing from me. Especially the camera?
Potatoes.
Potatoes?
Potatoes.
What? Sometimes I feel like I'm kind of annoying recording everything. But hey, I'm a tourist, so hey look, he's taking a picture of me. See, I'm not the only one doing it. I was just taking pictures of this guy on that corner. He looked at me and then moved to this corner and faced away from me. Hey, you mad at me, dude? You know your camera shy? We're going down to the bottom of the waterfall. They don't allow drones on the waterfall. So I left my bag with Tim and we're gonna go to the bottom, get some pictures. Maybe on the way back, stop by the road and fly the drone. Just can't get too close. Don't wanna get deported back to America. Shortcuts. Easy. Easy peasy, squimmin' lazy. Where is he? Come on, man. Another shortcut. Let's go. Another shortcut. Another shortcut. That's gorgeous. Wow. I kind of want to go swimming, but we can't go in there. So that guy took a photo of, it's from Malaysia. Some sunglasses? Alright, we stopped in a parking lot about a mile from the waterfall and we're gonna fly the drone here. We got it. We did it. We got the waterfall drone shot. I don't think I'm fully satisfied, but mainly because I could probably shoot that waterfall all day long. But I'm happy with what we got. It looks good. Okay, so we're driving, and Jen decided to pull over and get one of these from a tree. This is a cashew. This is where cashews come from. Is the cashew on top? Yeah, that's the cashew on top. It smells like an apple on the bottom too. I was researching this online like a few months ago and I found out where cashews come from and I was like, are you kidding me? That's where a cashew comes from? And now I get to see it in real life. Wow. 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 Wow, wow, wow. That's very different. Very juicy. It's like a jackfruit mixed with an apple and a lemon with a texture I've never experienced before. Wow. Tim, why can't I eat this part? The top.
You want to try it and see? Pretty much burn your mouth if you eat it raw.
He said there's like an acid. What they do to make the cashew is they put this in the fire before they prepare it. Plum tree forest. We just stopped at a little bakery on the side of the road. Got some sandwiches, some dessert, and I'm having a leftover beer from last night. Okay, what is this? That's delicious. It's like a spicy chicken biscuit thing. Tastes good?
No.
Yeah? Yeah, good. Alright, we all like it. We all like it. Everyone likes it back there? That's great. Alright, next up is the meat roll. Meat roll, here we go. Lunch on the road. Apparently I wasn't paying attention at that bakery we just went to because we got a lot of food. And this is like a donut sandwich basically. Let me tell you. PVD donuts. Better watch out. This is dank. Dankski. Dank. Thanks. Dank. Dank. This is dank. Dank. Picked up 2 more. 7 of us now. It's a whole squad. Where are we going now? I have no idea. Alright, we got a selfie with the whole squad. So behind us, somewhere up there, is a massive mountain. I was trying to get a snap of it, but it's behind the trees. I think we're gonna drive up it, I guess. It's kind of scary, but first we gotta eat dinner. I think I want... Alright, moving up in the world, look at that. We're getting a group photo. Alrighty. Got the sausage. I thought the food vlog was over, but I gotta show this fresh orange juice up here on the mountain. And we're gonna try to take some long exposures, see how it looks. So we went to Tim's friend's house, this guy, and then we went out to grab some beer. Now we're at a restaurant picking up some food. But I am literally like passing out sitting here on the chair. So I'm gonna go ahead and say goodnight right now. It's been a good day.